Broken Google Ads search campaign. Hello, hi. I have a Google Ads search campaign set to maximize conversions with target CPA. Last year, the average CPA was Euro 1.95. ROAS was around 800%, exceptionally great results. Great. Okay, at the end of the year, we temporarily removed the main banner with the mobile version, which ruined our conversion rate and the campaign broke. Then we had to increase the CPA without a ceiling, but the CPA is now around €8. Can this campaign still be fixed? If so, should I switch it to Maximize Clicks? Okay, so if you have a broken Google Ads search campaign, you have to follow the strategies as I'm going to tell you, and that can help you. Okay, so first of all, if the campaign was working fine and then you did the changes on your website, which eventually decreased your conversions, and you want to get them restored, then you have to follow. Okay, first of all, your advice is to switch it to Maximize Clicks. So yes, move back to Maximize Clicks for now. Okay, as a bidding strategy. Okay, this can help you. For those who don't know what the bidding strategy is, for instance, if I'm in one of the Google Ads account, I'm going to show you, for instance, in the campaigns over here. Let's say this is the campaign. Move on to the settings. In the settings tab, look for your bidding strategy, and now move it to the change bidding strategy and move it to Maximize Clicks over here for the right now, with a set a maximum cost per bid limit. Maximum cost per bid set limit. Okay, after you are done with this, I think that you need to look around for your search terms. Okay, look around for your search terms. You can simply move on to the account and go over here and look around for the search terms over inside. Search terms over here, insights and report, and see the traffic which are not converting well, not running well. The keywords may be shown over here. This is a new account which is not showing any search terms, but this is a general strategy to see. Okay, let me refresh. So maybe they get to see over here. Okay, you can see around over here the search terms to see which one are working well and which are generating you poor conversions, and just simply block those. Also look around for your ads Guardrails, best performance days, times. Also do ad optimization. There is a tool which I recommend people for the ad optimization. But if you look around, this is a normal search ad, but if you add different ad assets to your ad, like this, you may see around over here that assets has increased the authenticity, so this can help you and win back the customer. So ad optimization plays a crucial role. Look for any new competitors in the market. Okay, there may be a new competitor in the market. Study, follow what their ads, what their strategy is. Also look for local market trends or anything happening in the local place. This can be another reason why your campaigns are broken. Okay, this may not be the very possible reason because you are admitting the reason yourself, but look around for this as well, because sometimes the local market trends also plays the role in increasing your decreasing your conversions. So I hope follow these strategies to fix your broken search campaign. But if you are still not able to get your broken campaigns resolved and you need a professional Google Ads audit service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com as a Google partner company, and we love to help you. These are the main factors, but there can be more factors as well, and we need a deep insight of your account to get it restored. So I hope you like this video, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.